So here we are, it's mid-October and it's time to bring in my non-frost hardy plants. As you can see, I've got two very large grow lights. Got one in this room and there's one in the other room. It's a bit of a job to see, but this is where my plants are going to spend their winter so that they're safe. I've got quite a variety of plants that I brought in. I've got some edible plants. I've got some basil there and I've got some parsley. I've got some chilies, I've got some peppers. There's a carnivorous plant there, quite a big one, probably needs repotting soon. And Aeoniums at the back. There's an alocasia or elephant's ear related to the taro plant. Carnivorous plant hanging up there behind the begonia, a pitcher plant. Monstera Telecosa, quite a large one. New leaf coming. I'm always pleased when a new leaf comes. That one stays in all the time. I never put that one out. It's too big anyway. Too big to move. Agave. There. Americano. There's another agave there. Spineless agave, that one I believe. There's a nice big fern. Keep that one damp. There's an Aeonium. As I say, I've got quite a selection. It's a pity I can't leave them out, but as you know, here in the UK, if you get a sharp frost, I'd lose a lot of these. There's a nice big cactus there. That generally flowers each year, but it hasn't flowered this year. A tin sandia, I can never pronounce that one. Old man's beard, I think they call it. That's doing quite well. Some ivy up the top there, hanging down nicely. Got some air plants. More cactus. Shaving brush plant. They're quite unusual, aren't they? And in flower too. Yeah, I'm really pleased with the way they're coming on. I've got a few outside. I'll show you those another day in another video, because some plants get so big, they're far too big to bring indoors. I bring all mine into this conservatory that I've got here. It doesn't get used in the winter because it's too cold, but it doesn't get frosty. And they love these grow lights. It keeps everything just ticking over. There's some banana there, Musa Bardew. A few regulars. I've got some in the garden that are just so big, they've been there for years. But when they're small, young ones like this, I like to bring them in, give them a little bit of protection. Hope you've enjoyed this very short video of mine, just to show you how I look after these plants. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That would be great. Give it a like, give it a share. And I'll see you guys again next time. Bye for now.